Hi guys! Hi guys! So, kakatapos ko lang mag-workout and my boyfriend visited me and got me some things sa grocery because nagpabili ako sa kanya ng milk pero nag-end up dami niyang binili for me. So, I just wanna show it to you kasi di pa rin ako kumakain and ewan ko, kumuha siya ng food doon sa marketplace. This is, I think, macaroni. And then, pork sisig. I think, para sa kanya to. Tapos, may salmon. Hey! So excited to eat that. And then, of course, yung milk na pinapabili ko. Wala yung usual milk ko, which is the milky na Vitasoy. So, he got the outside one instead. And then, eto, bumili siya ng mga yogurt. This is Greek yogurt. Para sa, granola. Ayan. Nag-buy din siya ng granola for me. He knows me so well. So, yun. And, oh my gosh! May Chobani na flip. I want to try this. Super tagal ko na gusto to i-try. Tapos, meron ata sa grocery. That's why it got me. And then, UP Mayo. Later, nagpa-plan din ako gumawa ng cucumber salad. So, this is gonna come in handy. And lastly, Pringles. I don't know if it's for me or para sa kanya, but got me this. And yun lang. Bus na. Wala na. So, thank you, boyfriend, for getting me these things. And love! it's my birthday and we're currently in Lapu-Lapu sa may Tambuli Resort and I'm gonna celebrate my birthday here and I'm gonna give you a short room tour sa kinuha naming room just for you to see kung gusto nyo rin magstay here and yeah, come inside! So once you go in, meron silang table dito. This is a room na for 2 people only. And we got it for like less than 7,000. So, if you want, mag-book na kayo. And then, this is their kitchen. Meron lutuan here. Di ko alam kung gumagana siya, but yeah. And then, meron mga plates. May plates din dito. May mga bowls. Everything you need. Para siyang condo. Meron din siya ng utensils. So, dito, meron ding ref. And then, may microwave. So, very friendly talaga siya for anyone who wants to stay. We got, like, twin beds. Ayan. One for my boyfriend and one for me. Then, dito, meron silang small cabinet. Ayan, very nice. Tapos may slippers din sila na pinaprovide. As you can see, dito, we have a balcony. Very cute. You know, pang mga morning, selfies or photos. Or like, pwede rin naman pang gabi. And then sa baba, merong pool. You can also use, meron dalawa, meron din doon, which is a bigger one. May bathroom pa pala. So, let's come inside the bathroom. So, ayan. They have a sink here. Tapos, meron din washing machine kung gusto mo maglaba, bego. Tapos, may towels. And then, their toilet. Tapos, may shower here. Ayan. Very nice lang. So, yun lang, guys. Magsiswimming na kami. Hi guys! So, we just finished eating and right now, mag-open lang ako ng gifts because my brother and his girlfriend gave me a gift today and I just wanna open it and sabi nila, mag-video daw ako for a reaction. So, I'm gonna start with Joanna's gift. Thank you! Feel ko lang na blind box to. Feel ko lang. Pag ginaganon ko, parang may something. Pero kung hindi, di napahiya na lang ako. Oh my gosh! Parang tama ako. Tama ako! Oh my gosh! Care Bears! Bro! Oh my gosh! Guys! Oh, this is so cute! Honestly. Wait, sige. Mag-unboxing tayo dito. Mag-ano tayo dito ng blind box. Wait, hanapin ko muna sino gusto ko. Gusto ko yung kinuha ko sa Singapore. Si Grumpy Bear. Eto. Ayan. Pero, kung hindi siya, gusto ko din si Cheer Bear or si Bedtime Bear. Ito. Ang cute! Oh my gosh! I'm obsessed. Sige. Open ko na. Sobrang arte. Pero so, gusto ko talaga ng Care Bear. Oh my gosh. Tapos Pop Mart pa to. I'm such a fan. Wait, sige. Ang arte talaga. Sorry. Okay, ito na. Okay. Let me feel. Oh my gosh. Please lang, give nyo na to sa akin. Give mo na to sa akin, Lord. Please lang. Oh my love it! Color red! Obsessed ako sa color red lately. So, hala, tapos ko, guys, narinig niyo ba? Oh my gosh! Slay! Best gift! Ang hirap nito talunin. Ang cute! Oh, gosh. Mag-move on na muna tayo. Kasi open ko na yung gift sa akin ng kapatid ko. Give it to me, please. O, diba? Taray. Taray ng packaging. Ta-da-da! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Huy, guys! Ano ba? Huy! Oh my gosh! Thank you! May boses pa ba? Oh my gosh! Alam nyo ba, hanggang ngayon, yung gamit ko pa rin na earphone, yung dati, yung may wire. Oh my gosh, naawa siguro siya sa akin. Pero, AirPods Pro! Kaloka! Nagpasabog siya. Salamat naman. Oh my gosh. Wait. Open natin. Tingnan natin. Baka mamaya yung nakalagay sa loob iPhone pala. Charot. Oh my gosh. I love it! May AirPods na ako ulit! Kasi yung story talaga, ba't di na ako bumili ulit ng AirPods? Yung last kong AirPods, kinain ng aso namin, kinagat-kagat. So, after nun, sabi ko, ay, hindi na talaga ako mag-get ulit kasi responsible din ako, iniwan ko lang somewhere. Tapos, ayun, nakagat ulit ng aso. But, anyway, ngayon, feel ko, ano na talaga, responsible adult na ako. So, deserve ko na nito. Thank you, brother! But thank you! Oh, masaya! Pasabog yung gifts! I love it! Thank you, guys! Thanks so much!